That's your screwdriver. Zip them.
Yeah.
Well done.
You happy?
You've all completed your hilts, and nothing unexpected or traumatic has happened, because why would it? Which leads me to the most dangerous part of the process. Builders, please leave your completed hilts on your station and step back. Gatherers. Now the gatherers are placing your hilts in the crystal stabilization chamber. This requires lots of skill and experience. There may or may not have been an accident at this station that I may or may not have caused. But I don't like to dwell. So, let's move on. Kevin, what is going on?
With many parts you began. Yes. With the heart of the saber they are drawing. Much more they will become. It is time.
Master Yoda. It is indeed time to take that first step. Builders, we have reached the final stage of the process. The bond between Saber and Builder is about to be forged. In a moment, and on my signal, you will step forward, place your hand on your hilts, and we will activate together. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Step forward, place your hand on your hilts, and activate.
Good job.
Builders, raise your lightsabers. You have built a lightsaber, like the Jedi and Sith before you. And like them, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Please, deactivate your sabers.
Complete your lightsaber is. Choose your path it cannot, but light your way it can. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. In your hands you hold remarkable power, and remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. To protect your new sabers, we are pleased to present to you saber sheets as you depart. Our time is at an end, but your journey is just beginning. Time to make your mark on the galaxy. Remember, you are as unique and extraordinary as the lightsabers you have created. And who knows, perhaps next time, we will be telling your story. To the spire.
To the fire.